Annyeong everyone! Today we're making Dubu-Jorim, spicy braised tofu in a savory sauce. It's super easy to make, pairs perfectly with rice, and can be a great vegan dish. So let's get started. First, let's prep our main ingredient, tofu. As you may know, tofu is made from soy and is an excellent source of protein. When you open the package, it's submerged in water. Just drain it. You don't need to rinse unless the package says otherwise. Slice firm tofu into any shape or size you like, but avoid cutting it too small so it holds its shape while cooking. I'm cutting mine into rectangular pieces. I'm using a whole package for 2 people, but if you have any leftover tofu, store it in a container with cold water and keep it in the fridge for later use. Next, we need an onion. It adds extra flavor and texture. Just slice it thinly. Now this ingredient is completely optional, but if you're not making a vegan dish, I highly recommend adding some pork. The pork, along with the onion, will act as a topping for the tofu, adding extra umami. I'm using 200 grams or half a pound of pork shoulder, but any cut or even ground pork works fine. Just slice it into bite-sized pieces. Now we're all ready to cook. The list of ingredients including the sauces and exact measurements will be in the Show More section. So check that out when you go grocery shopping. Heat a skillet or pan over medium-high heat and drizzle in some oil. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic, which is about 6 cloves, and the sliced onion. Stir until fragrant. Next, add the pork and stir. When the pork starts changing color, add a tablespoon of soy sauce and stir again. This seasons the pork and onions while enhancing their flavors. By now, your kitchen should already smell amazing. Now, add a tablespoon of gochugaru, Korean chili powder, and stir. Stir-frying gochugaru briefly adds a smoky depth to the dish. But frying it too long can make it taste bitter, which is why we didn't add it earlier. Once combined, push everything to the side and place the tofu in the pan. Add about half a cup of water or a cup of water, just enough to half submerge the tofu. Then add 2 more tablespoons of soy sauce for the braising liquid. Now return the stir-fried onions and pork on top of the tofu. Let simmer until most of the liquid is reduced, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, the tofu will soak up all the flavors. And that's it, our Dubu-Jorim is ready. The tofu has absorbed all the savory spicy flavors, and the onion pork topping adds extra depth. This dish is best with rice. So just grab some ready cooked rice. I got mine from Costco, but really any Korean or Japanese brand will do. I hope this video inspires you to try more Korean dishes at home. If it did, please like and subscribe for more Korean recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.